Hi, I'm Bob Foreman, certified golf fitness instructor, and I'm here at the Fitness Center at High Point Regional in High Point, North Carolina. One of the common things I see in a lot of golfers, especially you men, is a tightness in the hamstring muscle group in the back of the thighs. Tightness in the hamstrings, number one, is a big factor that leads up to bad backs, bad lower backs. And the one thing you don't want to do if you love to play this game is to have any type of back discomfort or pain. The second thing is that tight hamstrings, which attach to the hip bone, may not allow the freedom of movement that you would like in your golf swing and can cause a whole host of swing faults. So it would benefit you, if your hamstrings are tight, to work on a stretching program. Now, one way that you can check to see whether or not your hamstrings are tight is just to stand with the feet together. Keep the knees locked, nice and easy, just reach down towards the floor as far as you comfortably can without bending the knees till you feel the stretch in through the back of the leg. Before you stand up though, bend the knees to keep the pressure off your back. Minimally, what we look for is for the individual to be able to touch their toes. If you can't touch your toes, your hamstrings are tight. And the further away from the floor, the tighter the hamstrings, and the more potential you have for injury and discomfort. A good hamstring stretch will help alleviate some of that tightness that you have in those hamstrings. Get yourself on a nice flat bench or a nice solid coffee table at home. Place one leg up on the table, keep the knee down flat, and extend the foot off the edge of the bench, because we want that foot in a nice relaxed position. Because we want to isolate the knee to the buttock, the hamstring. If you bring the toes up towards you, you're also going to incorporate the calf muscles, and that may take away from isolation here in the hamstring. So relax that foot. Keep the back nice and straight. Hinge from the hips as you come forward. Don't arch the back like this. We want you to keep the back nice and straight until you feel a gentle stretch in through the back of the knee or in through the back of the thigh. Keep your chin up, because if you bring the chin into your chest, you may put an extra stretch on the lower back, which you don't want. And just lean into it till you feel that isolation here in the hamstring. Breathe normally, hold for about 30 seconds, switch the legs, and repeat. A good hamstring stretch will help alleviate some tightness that you may have in the hamstrings, will help get you some freedom of movement in your hips, and will help alleviate and or prevent low back discomfort. Better your body to better your swing.